Good morning students. Today we are going to see about exponents and power. This is useful for NEET student, CBSE students and Olympiad student. For NEET students, they are doing physics, no? For that basic is necessary. So for that it needs. Topic. I should introduce myself. I am Dr. Sudha. My qualification is MSc Triple, MSc Bioinformatics, MSc Mathematics, MSc Yoga for Human Excellence. Now I got MD in Acupuncture. Gold medalist and university rank holder. My experience is 15 years in teaching in various leading competitive coaching institute. Then now I am taking classes through online and offline. If you want to contact me, WhatsApp 877 865 4270. Thank you. We will enter into the topic. Exponents. Here we are writing 555. How will you write it in shortcut? 5 power 3. This 5 power 3, this 5 is called base and 3 is called exponent. See in this part, so when you write 6 power 3, 6 is called base, 3 is called exponent or power. With the negative exponent, how will you write power with the negative exponent? If it is x power minus 1, we can write like this. So if it is x power minus y, we can write this as 1 by x power y. It will become like this, vice versa. So here this x power minus y is called as multiplicative inverse of x power y. This multiplicative inverse of vice versa. This is a multiplicative inverse of x power y. X power y is a multiplicative inverse of x power minus y. Keep in mind. So it is very important laws. This is first law. X power a into x power b. When base is equal, power we can add power. When base is equal, rule is base is equal. So we can do this problem. 2 power 1 into 2 power 2. So base are equal. So we can add power. 2 power 3. What is the answer? 8. Like that. Here bases are equal. So x power a by x power b. We can write x power a minus b. If it is division, we can subtract. If it is in multiplication, we can add. So like this, we can do this sum. 2 power 3 by 2 power 1. So it is 2 power 3 minus 1. So it is 2 power 2. So answer is 4. If it is like this, a power m, the whole power n, we can multiply these two. So a power mn. So we can do one problem. 2 power 3 power 2. So 2 power 3 into 2. So 2 power 6. 2 power 6 is 64. If bases are different, a, b, power m, you can do a power m into b power m. Powers are same, bases are different. So see this, 2 into 3 power 4, 2 power 4, 3 power 4, 16 into 81, it is 1296, 1296. X by y, power a. We can write it like this, y power a. So in the same way, 3 by 2 power 3, 3 by 2, 2 power 3. So 3 by 2 is 1.5. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, we are proving here. So 3 power 3 is 27, 2 power 3 is 8. So answer is 3.375. So this is another rule. Another rule, anything power 0 is 1. A power 0, 2 power 0, 3 power 0, anything power 0 is 1. So problem, 1 by 2 power 3, the whole power 1 by 6, power 1 minus 1 by 9. 1 by 2 power 3 into 1 by 6 into minus 9. We can write like this. It is the shortest form. So 1 by 2 power minus 9 by 2. So this is the answer. Otherwise you can cut short this, 4.5. So 1 by 2 into, answer is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 power minus 4.5.